Bruh, I'm so fucking bored. What should I do now? Oh wait. I think I will watch some TV for a while. So let's see what's on. Coming up, Dora and Friends. Only on Nick. What the? No, that shit's for babies. As well as it being the new one, not the original. But either way it's all for babies. Like, who the fuck put that on, bro? But wait, I'm gonna go to the nearest weather station and create a fake emergency alert system. So that whoever put this on in here will start screaming like a little bitch. Let's get out there. Later, when he got all the way to the nearest weather station. Next, now to sneak in and make a fake emergency alert system.
Hey, do you want to go get some lunch while it's our break time? Sure, let's go to McDonald's. We'd better make it quick. Because I locked the door behind both of us.
Ha 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 ha. Now to make a fake emergency alert system on those people out there. Now let's get out of here. Afterwards. Back at Ashay's house. You'd probably would know the next part.
Now I'm going to see what's on.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. At 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, there were 10 separate North Korean ballistic nuclear missiles heading towards the United States. The first missile is heading towards Los Angeles, California. The second missile is heading towards Eugene, Oregon. The third missile is heading towards Elko, Nevada. The fourth missile is heading towards Pocatello, Idaho. The fifth missile is heading towards Richfield, Utah. The sixth missile is heading towards Flagstaff, Arizona. The seventh missile is heading towards San Angelo, Texas. The eighth missile is heading towards Jackson, Tennessee. The ninth missile is heading towards Macon, Georgia. The 10th missile is heading towards Lynchburg, Virginia. All residents across the country, get to a fallout shelter as there is no time to hesitate. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, local authorities will lead you to one. Stay tuned to your local station and media outlets for more information and updates on the situation.
Hey, get down here. There are 10 missiles coming towards us from North Korea. One of them will affect us. We need to get to the basement. We will watch TV down there. Alright y'all, it's safe down here. Hey, why is the door wide open? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I locked the door before we left for our lunch break. It seems like someone snuck in and broke in the EAS room. We need to tell the manager about this.
Bro, that was some real good shit. Now everyone a bitch. Now I'm going in my house now.
Shay, where have you been?
Took me a while to go shopping at a store a bit further from home.
Really? Well anyway, I'm going to check the news for anything.
Breaking news. Today, there was an emergency alert system at around 3:15 p.m. Central Time. And we want to talk about the emergency alert system that happened not that long ago. Now go ahead. Well, that was not a real emergency. Saying that there were 10 North Korean missiles heading towards our country. That was a false alarm. And here, I caught a light-toned African-American young adult male, who broke into the EAS room. So yes, this is what I'm talking about. If you are familiar with this person, or if you know him, he will be in trouble for good. And he will be paying over $40,000 for this. This is not funny. More news coming up after these commercials.
Wait, that person can only mean. Ashay, get the fuck in here right now. No. Wow. So, Ashay, did you make that false emergency alert system?
Yeah, I did. 'Cause everyone a bitch.
Hey, no back-talking young adult man. Now listen to your fucking mom. I'm tired of you doing this illegal and dumbass shit. All of it. Now get the fuck upstairs to your room right fucking now.